Remus, number 1. And the race is on. Chase Charlie. Buku Juice from the outside. Remus down on the inside. Crafty Treasure. Alongside My Boy Paulo. Storm Signal. While Sugar Mike is the early trailer. Chase Charlie, Buku Juice, moving up is Crafty Treasure. Remus is down on the inside, rushing up is Sugar Mike and Storm Signal. And as they race the last 600, Crafty Treasure, the Buku Juice on the outside, Sugar Mike, Storm Signal, and Remus running by the rail. As they race the last 500, Crafty Treasure, Buku Juice, Sugar Mike, Storm Signal, Remus sneaking by the rail as they race the final corner. Crafty Treasure, Storm Signal is running by the rail. And on the outside is Buku Juice, Storm Signal is now the leader. Buku Juice is on the outside. Storm Signal. Buku Juice is racing on the outside. Storm Signal. Buku Juice. And finally, Buku Juice. Storm Signal. Remus close. Sugar Mike. Crafty Treasure. And My Boy Paulo.